Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get knife on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have joined Dress to Impress and I'm going to show you how you can get knife. If you want to get knife, you can go to this section. Okay, you can go to the accessories and then you can take the knife right here, this one guys. You can click on put on, you can click on the item and then okay, now I'm holding knife on my hand. That's so easy, right? You just need to go to this section and then you'll be able to get knife. And you can also change the color of your knife. Just click on the knife and then choose the color that you like. Okay, I'm just going to choose this color which is suitable for my outfit. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get knife on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.